anyway, I had a guy that just DM'd me on YouTube, and he was having a hard time getting this battery compartment out. And it's tricky because when you try to pull on it, it doesn't come out very easily. And if you notice, the volume button is really close to this little lever that releases this, and you have to use two hands to get this thing out. So I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so the trick is you've got to get your fingernails on the side here, and you might be able to just use one, but if you can use two, it'd be great. So you're going to probably need two hands. I have this Apple tool that I use for my technology things like phones and computers. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push it against this, and you can see that this slips out. It releases. Now, if you look on either side of here, you've got a little lip that you can grab with your finger. And when you push it in, this clicks and holds it. Watch. So to get it out, get one finger there. And you could use your, if you got small fingers, you could use your other finger. But if you got one of these tools or a screwdriver, just push it against that. It's right next to the volume button, and it releases. And there's your battery. And of course, it's very difficult to get the battery out. So you're going to need another tool, and there's a little hole here that you've got to get like a screwdriver or something and push it through there. And I'm going to show you right now. All right. Now to get it out, you just get a tool like this, push it, and it comes out. Put it back in, just like that. Now we're ready to go back in. And this goes towards the volume button, right? So you can't screw that up. It's pretty simple. Just slide it in, push it. Yeah, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.